Hey y'all, my name's Michelle, and today I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can create this super cute layered tote bag with some heat transfer vinyl. So let's go ahead and let's get cutting. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your heat transfer vinyl and just trim off any of this extra so that I can save it for a future project. And put that over to the side. And then on this one, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to kind of trim around what I have cut here. Okay, now it's time for us to weed out our design. So we've trimmed off all the extra, and now it's time for us to weed. Here we go. And now we've got our design and we are ready to apply it. Now I'm just placing it on here so that I can make sure it lines up. I'll show you, let's head over to the heat press and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so now that we have all the elements of our design weeded out, it's time for us to apply it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to just take our bag and we're gonna give it a nice press just to flatten it out first, just to kind of warm up our surface and to remove any moisture. It can also remove any wrinkles that you might have. Now, one technique to make sure that you get this in the middle is to fold your bag in half, like this, and then press it. And then give it a press, and this will crease the middle of your bag, and that way you can make sure that you put your design directly in the middle. So see, now we have a big old crease right there in the middle, which our heat press will flatten out, but we can take our design and we can line it up directly with that. So that's what we're gonna do, is I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna I want it at an angle. And then again, you can make another crease down the middle or you can eyeball the sides. I'm gonna eyeball the sides. And then I'm gonna take my design and I'm gonna push it on here and I'm going to remove this top layer, because if you press both of these at the same time, it will be a ginormous mess. So we're gonna remove that top layer and I'm gonna put my Teflon sheet right on the top of it. That way my vinyl does not get burned. And then I'm gonna press it for 15, actually I'm not gonna go the whole 15 seconds since I'm doing a second layer. I'm just gonna get it long enough so that it can adhere to my bag. And then I'm gonna remove my Teflon sheet and peel up my carrier sheet, and then I'll place the next layer. And now I'll apply this layer to it. Put that directly on top. Again, place my Teflon sheet, and this time I'm gonna press it for the full 15 seconds. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to peel up my carrier sheet, and then I'm going to put my Teflon sheet over it one more time and give it one last big press. And then we've got our super cute little basketball mama bag all ready to go. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see what kind of layered designs you end up making with your heat transfer vinyl, and I'll see you back next time. Bye.